Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make text horizontal in Google Docs table. Let's get started. At first, you have to open your Chrome browser. Then open your Google Docs apps. Then create your document. Now you can see here are my document. Now I insert a table. Now I make text horizontal in this table. Select a cell. Then write anything on this table. Now copy this text and paste this table to all cell. Now you can see I make text horizontal in Google Docs table very easily. I hope you enjoyed my video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.